All right, you guys, so I'm working with a wash and go that flopped basically. If you saw my previous upload, well, I'm not sure which upload will be up first, this one or a video that I literally just filmed on the Dippity Doo products, which I really did not like. They didn't really work well in my hair, so I'm going to be doing a high puff using my Swirly Curly hair ties. This video is in collaboration with Swirly Curly. Thank you guys again so much for collaborating with me in this video. I really do love the hair ties, so I'm excited to show you guys exactly how I use them and how I make them work for me for when I do my high puff and my high updo. So yes. First things first, before I show you how the hair ties work, I'm just going to prep my hair so that it's ready to be slicked up and sleek. I always use my spray bottle with water, and I always use my Eco Styler flaxseed gel with like all of my slick styles. Anytime I'm going to slick my hair down, I always use my Eco Styler gel, my flaxseed one. This is my favorite one. I use a combination of these two brushes, my smoothing brush. Well, no, what is this called? My Tangle Teaser brush, and then my boar bristle brush. I'm going to spray all of my hair, all of the front of my hair. Just gonna work the water into my hair, and what I like to do is just keep moving my hair up and like smoothing it out. I'm filming with my front camera today, that way I can see what I'm doing, that's all. So if I'm not like looking directly, I'm so sorry. Oh, yes. Ooh, yes, this is already so much better. So this is just with water in my hair, you guys. Just water and the products that were left in my hair. So from here, what I do is I take my Eco Styler gel. I use a lot of it. So I take my gel and I put this all over the front. Oops. So I put this all over the front. And I brush my hair all the way to the top because I like for my puff to sit right at the top of my head. Yes, this is how I like it to look. Very sleek, very smooth. Yup. Sometimes I'll take my Tangle Teaser brush and just smooth everything out even more. Oops. So the hair, it has been prepped. I'm actually going to put a little bit more gel in the back so it's even more slick. Okay, so now my hair is already like prepped in the motion that it needs to go up in. So I'm going to show you guys how I used the Swirly Curly hair ties to do this. So here are my hair ties. So these are adjustable. You can use just one by itself like this. And how they work is they snap. That way they are not tugging on your hair at all. There are no metal pieces on the hairband, and you can adjust how tight you want it to go or how loose you want it to go. So for me, what works when I do this hairstyle is I attach two of the Swirly Curly hair ties together like this. So now they're together and they make one big one. And you can make them as big or as small as you want. So I'm gonna go back with my brush again. Normally when I do this style, I like it tight, so I do put a lot of tension on my hair when I use normal hair ties, because I do it like 2 and 3 times. But with these, I don't have to do it that much, and it's not tugging or pulling on my hair because the material is actually really soft. Okay, so I take the Swirly Curly tie and wrap it around. And I just pull it tight. So I keep crossing it over and pull it as tight as I want it. So it's like this. And these two pieces are together. And then you could even go around one more time. Dare I do it? And I'm just gonna snap it. Can y'all see? I'm snapping it. I snap it close. And boom! Yes, high puff. This is literally perfect. This is perfect. My hair has just the right amount of density at the top, because a lot of the times I don't like using hair ties to do this style because it makes my puff look too small. So I don't like doing it with that, and I'll use like an actual hairband. That way I can like have it big and then like wrap it around multiple times. But with this, I don't need that. And this does not feel tight on my head at all. Normally, when I do this style, I do have a headache by the end of the day because I make my hair too tight. But here, I get the sleekness and the tight look, but it does not feel tight on my hair at all. So I'm gonna let this set with my satin scarf for a little bit, because that's what I would normally do. So yeah, I like to do my baby hairs after everything has set into place. And if you really want it to stay and hold, you can spray some Got To Be Freeze spray. But I'm not gonna do all that because I don't need this to like stick up. So yes, I'm gonna let this set for a little bit, and then I'll be back to show y'all how I slay my baby hairs. But yeah, so far Swirly Curly, y'all really did that. Okay you guys, so I think my hair is set long enough. I love high updos because they just give you like a snatched face, like when your makeup is on point and your hair is out of your face. It's a look at the baby hairs. So we're gonna get a little bit up close and personal. So I'm using an edge brush. You can get these from Amazon, and what I do is just brush out some hairs. You only need a little bit now. You don't need full grown edges. And I just brush them out. And I'm gonna be using my Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control. This is my favorite edge control, you guys. If I'm ever talking about an edge control, it's this one. So I'm gonna use this, and I only use a little bit, like that much. because I always have flyaways. Yes, I don't even need to refresh any of these curls up on top. She cute, she cute. And then the last step that I do is I spray some Diva Curl High Shine Spray. I go through these like crazy. Literally every month I ask for 2 of these. My mom loves it, I love it, my friends love it. So I just spray some of these. Yes. Should I put on lashes or am I being extra? I'm being extra. Okay. Just kidding. This is Brianna from the future. Yeah, I decided to go ahead and put on some lashes because who am I kidding? I'm extra. I know this. So yeah, I just put on some lashes because I felt like it would spice up my look a little bit, and it's just like, yes, cute. So yes, this is how I do my high puff using my swirly curly hair ties, and I'm really feeling it. I have yet to do an updo on my channel in a while, so I will have all the information about Swirly Curly down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much again for partnering with me for this video. I just love it. I love it. It's just perfect and it feels secure. It feels super, super secure. You guys did that. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and or found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Be sure to check out all the info about Swirly Curly down below. I will have all the links, info, their Instagram, everything. If you want to see why my hair was looking the way how it was in the beginning and the wash and go that flopped, I will put a card above. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will see you all in my next video.